when 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus 2000 into 10 raised to minus 6 is expressed in the standard form, then it will be. Now what is the standard form? Firstly, see here, standard form means what? This is a standard form, 5 into 10 raised to minus 3, but 2000 into 10 raised to minus 6 is not a standard form. Why? In standard form there should only be one digit, means like this 5, and remaining everything, all the zeros should be converted into 10 raised to something. So what have we to do? Convert this 2000 into 10 raised to 6 into 2 into 10 raised to something. Okay, so that's what we are doing. So 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus 2000, this, make this, what is this? 2 into 10 raised to 3, right? 2 into 1000 into 10 raised to minus 6. So base same, indices can be added. So 2 into 10 raised to 3 minus 6, right, equals to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. This side as it is. So what the expression is what? 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now 10 raised to minus 3 can be taken as common. So 5 minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3.